Hold on to your hats, folks, because I'm about to introduce you to the most exciting, most educational game show to hit the airwaves. Table Manners Race. That's right. We're taking good manners and turning them into a full blown competition. Now, I know what you're thinking. Table manners on TV sounds boring. But trust me, this ain't your grandma's etiquette lesson. This is a high energy, laugh out loud race to the finish line where the only way to win is to know your forks from your spoons and your please pass the salt from your thank you kindly. We got teams, we got challenges, and we got prizes that'll make you want to shout bon appetit. So get ready to learn, laugh, and maybe even pick up a few tips on how to impress your mama at the dinner table. Stay tuned, folks, because things are about to get delicious. Now, you might be asking yourself, Steve, why table manners? Why not a pie eating contest or something? And to that I say, good manners never go out of style. This game is about more than just knowing which fork to use for your salad. It's about respect, folks. Respect for yourself, respect for others, and respect for the food on your plate. And let me tell you, in this world, a little respect can go a long way. Plus, learning good table manners can be fun. We're talking games, challenges, and a whole lot of laughs. And who knows, you might just pick up a few skills that'll impress your friends, your family, and maybe even that special someone you've been trying to woo. Remember, good manners open doors. And on Table Manners Race, those doors lead to amazing prizes. Alright, contestants, here's the deal. We're gonna have 2 teams, each with 4 players. You'll be racing against each other to complete a series of table manners challenges. Each challenge will test your knowledge of proper etiquette, from setting the table to using your napkin correctly. Now, before we get started, let's talk about what you'll need. First things first, you gotta have a table. Make it fancy with a tablecloth and some flowers, or keep it casual with just the bare essentials. It's up to you. Next, you'll need plates, bowls, silverware, glasses, the whole 9 yards. And don't forget the food. Now, we ain't talking about no fancy schmancy dishes here. Sandwiches, chips, fruit, anything easy to eat and won't make a big mess. Remember, this is a race, so you gotta be quick. But don't sacrifice good manners for speed. We'll have judges on hand to make sure you're following the rules and being respectful. Section 4. On your mark, get set, eat. Now, for the moment, you've all been waiting for the rules of the game. Each round, I'll give the teams a table manners challenge. It might be something simple, like setting the table correctly, or it might be something trickier, like eating spaghetti without making a mess. The first team to complete the challenge correctly wins that round. Now, I know what you're thinking. Steve, how do we know if we're doing it right? Don't you worry, folks. We got our own team of expert judges watching your every move. They'll be looking for things like proper utensil use, napkin etiquette, and overall good manners. So, mind your P's and Q's, and may the best mannered team win. Section 5. Everybody wins with manners. So there you have it, folks. Table Manners Race. It's fun, it's educational, and it's a great way to teach kids and maybe even a few adults about the importance of good manners. But this ain't just for families. No, sir. This game can be played anywhere, anytime, with anyone. Schools, summer camps, even corporate events. The possibilities are endless. Just imagine a group of CEOs in suits and ties racing against the clock to properly butter their bread. Now that's what I call must see. So gather your friends, your family, your co-workers and get ready to race to the top of the etiquette ladder. Remember, good manners never go out of style. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and follow us on YouTube for more training activities and resources. And that's a wrap on Table Manners Race. Keep it classy, folks.